Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error code on your Bosch dishwasher. Now the error code for today's video is the E36 error code. Now the E36 error code simply means your Bosch dishwasher is having problems draining the water. So it's having some trouble draining water, and you often see standing water in the tub. You'd hear the drain pump running continuously, or the cycle would stop midway. So what does standing water in your tub look like? This is basically what it looks like. And now, what are the common causes of this issue? So we have blockage in the drain pump from debris, food scraps, or small objects. If they get into your drain pump, they would produce an issue like this in your dishwasher, as well as a clogged filter or sump area, and also kinked drain hose, and rarely a faulty drain pump. So your issues are blockage in your drain pump, a kinked hose, or a clogged filter. Now, what are the things you can do to simply fix up this issue? The first thing you need to try is one of the fixes you can try is cleaning the drain pump. So, all you need to do is unplug your machine, pour out the water if needed, and then open the bottom front access panel or remove the lower basket and then twist out the filter. So basically just twist out this filter and then clean it thoroughly. And then you can access the drain pump to remove any debris from the impeller by simply wearing gloves and then reinstalling everything back in securely. All right. And then an additional thing you can do is to also check the drain hose at the back for kinks or clogs. So you can try and check your drain hose at the back for any kinks or clogs, and then straighten it and ensure it's not inserted too far into the sink drain, and then run the garbage disposal if it's connected to a clear shared line. All right. Now, last but not least, you can now close everything up and then plug it back in and then run a short drain or test cycle to see if the 36 clears. And if this persists, the drain pump may be faulty, so try and contact Bosch support or a technician. All right, guys, and that's how you can go about fixing this issue. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.